Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Whitney and you are watching All Things Whitney. Today is going to be a no talking makeup video. I am learning how to do my face a lot more. I'm getting into more product and all of that, and it's just kind of something that I've really recently gotten into. So this is what this video is going to be. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed. We are over 100 subscribers, which is something that I wanted to bypass by the end of the year, and I bypassed it before the end of the year. Thank you all so much for subscribing and watching and supporting me. I expect an expectation for more with this channel, and I cannot do that without you. So I appreciate you so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I can't go, and yes, I'm trying to get the strength. You fill me with your Holy Ghost, but Lord, sometimes I lose control. I feel like I can't tell nobody, cause they think that I'm so perfect, but this life of sin ain't worth it, no. Yeah, let me talk about that flesh that's always creeping up. Kinda feeling like a toxic relationship, you can't break it up, no. But ain't no way I'm falling victim, time to lace it up. Lord, I give you everything, I lift you up, and you I try. I got victory, yeah. My name is Victory. No more shackles holding me. Hey, I got victory, yeah. I got victory, yeah. Oh yeah. My name is Victory. No more shackles holding me. No more shackles holding me. Yeah, I got victory.